think this was the 2017 Chevy Bolt, and I recharged it. It wouldn't run. It's been here for a few weeks, and the battery has been down. The 12-volt battery was dead. A lot of sensors were replaced. I went upstairs and got the temperature sensor where they had the parts stored, because this usually will stop it, but this is one where they're gonna have to flash the codes with the scanner, get everything up and working. And you guys who are working on these, if somebody hands you off one of these vehicles, check all the coolant reservoirs. Coolant reservoir number 1, coolant reservoir number 2, coolant reservoir number 3. Remember, you have 3 separate cooling systems on here. Do not operate the vehicle without it. So that's it on this one. Done deal. I still have to come back here later on in a day or two for a few more. And which ones did I have to do? I already did the little Kia. I have this one to do in several days. That one's already recovered. This one's not. I have these 2 out here to do, but they won't be until far into next week or the week after. Oh, let's get on to this Audi right here. Something to look at really carefully, guys. Okay, check out the hoses. Suction line, the liquid line coming back from the condenser. So you would normally have the condenser, liquid line. So here's our liquid line coming in. Follow our liquid line up. Let's follow this liquid line. High side service fitting. Our liquid line. Oh, here's our suction line that came down from our compressor right here. So we got both lines going into this block right here. Now let's follow it over. And what do you see missing? We have a liquid line going in, but we have nothing coming out. It disappeared. Where did it go? This is one of those internal heat exchangers where it actually, the hot liquid gas, cold vapor gas exchange in valving. This is all ported out, and this liquid actually travels on the outside of the vapor line coming back. Heat exchanger, you're not missing nothing. So when you try to do your subcooling superheat, forget it, ain't gonna work, can't do it. Well, there is a way, but I'm not even gonna go into that. In automotive, guys, you don't need to know, it's a waste of your time. This is a clutchless compressor, and you will have, where's your valving on that? On this one, it's way to hell back here. Right back here. That's where your connector is. So if you have to hook your tool and scan and see if you're getting a signal back here, or you command it to do what you want it to do, good luck when you have the shield on inside here. And coming over to this guy, let's see. Now, I won't be here for another 2 weeks on this one. And another thing, guys, when you want to know what kind of compressor you have, it's going to be really hard sometimes when everything is here and the shield's underneath. You can go right to the sticker, right on the compressor, go to the manufacturer's website and put in their model number on their website, and you can bring up everything about the compressor, telling you it's a variable displacement, variable pressure, variable, you know, anything, whether it's clutchless like this one, what kind of sensor you have. You can look up the sensor, look up the part number, and look how to diagnose them. So the manufacturer sticker, going to their website can often give you better information than going to Chevy, Ford, Toyota, or Honda website into the manual. Sometimes the manual will be a little sketchy. If it is, try the manufacturer. And that is it for today at this shop. Oh yeah, that's right. I got that one too in a few days. And off to the next shop.